In this lesson, we will quickly cover the different types of irregular present participles. For ER and IR verbs whose stem ends in a vowel, the usual ending yendo will instead become yendo with a Y. Verbs that end in enir or yir will end in endo for the present participle. Also notice that renir and tenir have E to I stem changes in their present participles. IR verbs with a third person preterite stem change will include that stem change in the present participle. Poder also maintains its O to U preterite stem change in the present participle, along with dormir and morir. And there you have it, a very brief summary of the different types of irregular present participles. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.